Fasting, the practice of voluntarily abstaining from food or certain activities, has been an integral part of many religious and spiritual traditions throughout history. While fasting is often associated with physical health benefits, it holds a deeper spiritual significance for many individuals. In this article, we will explore the power of fasting and uncover its biblical roots, shedding light on the art of fasting and the spiritual insights it offers. The power of fasting, exploring its spiritual significance. Fasting has long been considered a powerful tool for spiritual growth and self-discipline. It enables individuals to redirect their focus inward, allowing them to detach from the physical world and connect with their spiritual selves. By abstaining from food or specific activities, individuals are able to cultivate a heightened sense of mindfulness and clarity, enabling them to reflect on their actions, thoughts, and emotions. Furthermore, fasting can serve as a catalyst for personal transformation. It provides an opportunity for individuals to break free from unhealthy habits and addictions, both physical and emotional. By challenging oneself to overcome cravings and temptations, fasting allows individuals to develop resilience and willpower, leading to personal growth and spiritual enlightenment. Biblical insights, uncovering the ancient practice of fasting. Fasting has deep roots in biblical history, as it is mentioned numerous times in the Bible. In the Old Testament, fasting is often associated with repentance and seeking guidance from God. It is seen as a means of humbling oneself before God, acknowledging one's sins, and seeking forgiveness. Fasting is also a way to petition God for assistance, guidance, or intervention in times of trouble and distress. In the New Testament, Jesus himself fasted for 40 days and 40 nights, showcasing the importance of this practice. He taught his followers about the power of fasting and emphasized the need for sincerity and humility while partaking in it. Jesus also warned against fasting for attention or to appear righteous in front of others, highlighting the importance of fasting as a personal and private spiritual practice. Fasting, with its spiritual insights and biblical perspectives, offers a path to spiritual growth and self-discovery. It allows individuals to detach from the material world, develop self-discipline, and foster a deeper connection with their faith. Whether it is for seeking guidance, repentance, or personal transformation, fasting has the power to lead individuals on a profound spiritual journey. By understanding the art of fasting and embracing its lessons, one can embark on a transformative path towards self-realization and spiritual enlightenment.